And here we go, Weaver Liloch. Liloch is on the move right now here for the Adrenaline team here. Verify for the PDX. Versaika here. At binabantayan nila dito masyadong A site right now. Holding their positions here. 1 minute and 30 seconds before the bomb will gonna be expired right now. And we see Liloch. Liloch on the move right now. Spotting the enemy here right now masyadong. And got hit dito back in the PDX team. And we can see her goodness by the Milo. And Liloch get knocked out of Milo. And Reggie get out of Saika. And we can see the knockback. So they gotta be knocked out there as well. Ooh! Chols of the PDX. And we can see Chols get knocked out the middle of the Adrenaline team. And Reggie get knocked out the middle of the lap. And we can see that masyadong is on the move right now. But knock out Milo. Of the Adrenaline team natin dito masyadong. Inautakan dito ng bagya ang ating PDX by the Adrenaline team here. And si Mao Patsa na muna ang lagat ko. It's a very difficult situation here. Oh my goodness, we can see Kobe planting the bomb here right now on the B side right now here. Oh my goodness, this is a 3v2 situation right now. The chopper to the shower is being deployed there, and then we can see Paya taking some damage against Kobe right now, and we can see Paya attack on the Mad Max of the Adrenaline team here and dito Mashakoy. Oh. For the Adrenaline team, get the ball to Mashakoy here. Tagapulot or tagadala talaga dito Mashakoy. PDX against si Kobe here. Kobe, Mad Max get knocked out there Mashakoy. And we can see the launch of the Adrenaline team. Chose get knocked out there, but the Reggie. Grabe talaga na may karambit. Kami si Sai kagat na ako ng launch of the, oh my goodness, the launch is on fire right now. Oh, this beautiful sniper. And this is a 2v1 si Shakoy. Going on to the advanced shot here by the Milo. And we see Reggie. Reggie's on the move there. And we see Milo. Milo's on the move right now here. And I think this is gonna be the difficult situation right now here. Mashakoy going, or we're gonna be see a clutch gameplay there by the Milo of the PDX team. And we can see their Liloch pa rin dito Mashakoy, but we see Milo's on the move there trying to defuse the bomb here right now. And we can see the Mashakoy, Milo's on the move there, engaging the shot there. Oh my goodness, Reggie got out of Milo dito Mashakoy. 1v1 situation on screen right now. And I think it's gonna be that beautiful engaging here. And we can see Milo got out of Liloch of the Adrenaline team here dito Mashakoy. And here we go Mashakoy. We can see Milo's on the move there. Isang gulin out there Mashakoy. Nagbakasakali na meron talaga siyang matamaan doon sa kanyang backboard dito Mashakoy. But we can see Kobe's on the move there. Holding his position talaga dito Mashakoy. And we can see Paya's on the move here. There. And we can hear right now gunshots here. And here we can see Andrew Lund up there. And that's a double kill that chose the Mashakoy against the Adrenaline team dito Mashakoy. Nanginginit at kung si Reggie is trying to engage that sniper, but knock out the Charles. That's a triple kill there Mashakoy, but it chose the Mashakoy of the PDX team. 4v2 situation team as well. We're Paya's on the move there. Slowly but surely to Mashakoy. This is a great advantage here for the 4 members of the PDX. Chose got knocked out there by the Mad Max, and Mad Max got knocked out there by the headshot with Lennon at dito Mashakoy. Oh my goodness, for our Adrenaline Esports Leonidas natin dito for tonight. And we can see Liloch and Mashakoy taking some damages right now against the PDX team. And here we go, we can see there Liloch is on the move there. Ayun talaga Mashakoy. Oh my goodness, nakita na dito si Liloch Mashakoy, but Liloch didn't make it too far there. By the Kobe got knocked out there by the Paya dito Mashakoy. 1v1 situation on screen right now. It's a very difficult situation here by the Paya of the PDX team. And we see Mad Max on the move right now here at magtatago na talaga dito Mashakoy. We can see there. And we get Mad Max! Paya got knocked out there by the Mad Max of the Adrenaline team dito Mashakoy. What a clutch gameplay there coming from the Mad Max of the Adrenaline Esports Leonidas natin dito Mashakoy. Paya's on the move there. I think this is gonna be the push dito Mashakoy. We can see engaging the shot against the PDX team right now. Ayun talaga Mashakoy. Oh my goodness, Reggie! Engaging the shot there, coming from that grenade dito Mashakoy. Medyo natagasan siya dito ng HP dito Mashakoy. We see Lion Mad Max got knocked out with Saka and chose dito Mashakoy. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Makakain na talaga tayo dito ng ating Adrenaline team without the 2 players dito Mashakoy. And we can see Lennon at Catalan. And here we go, we can see their Liloch. Liloch is on the move right now and taking some damages there. And we go, we can see Loach inside, damage to Shadow. Oh my goodness, Loach, he launches out of right now. And we see Kobe get knocked out there with a headshot on Jones of the PDX team. And we can see Loach get knocked out there Masyakoy by the Saika. Grabo na talaga dito Masyakoy ang mga ace player of the PDX team here. And we're Paya on the move there. Slowly but surely talaga dito Masyakoy ang galaw ng ating Paya.